Mounting instruction for lockable trip push button. Tools required: screwdriver and 7 mm spanner. Accessories required: lock, link and label. These are the accessories and hardware required. Check the status of the breaker. The breaker should be in off position. Check the racking interlock if any. Now, breaker is in service position. Take out the racking handle from the cradle. Insert the handle in the slot provided for rack in and rack out and rotate it in anti-clockwise direction until breaker comes to isolated position. Place the racking handle back to its position. Pull out the breaker up to maintenance position. To remove front fascia of the breaker, take out the plug of the charging handle using a screwdriver. Remove the screw and washer fixing the handle. Remove the spring charging handle. Unscrew the screws at 4 corners of the front fascia. Remove the front fascia of the breaker. For removing the existing push button, unscrew the molded nuts fixing the push button to the front fascia. Remove the brackets. Remove the 4 screws as shown. Take out the existing trip push button. Now take the lock. Press the key. Rotate it in anti-clockwise direction and remove the key. Unscrew molded nut provided on the lock. Place the new lock to its position. Fix the molded nuts on both sides. Put the bracket and shut the window. Fix the link and tighten the nut with the help of spanner. Fix the pointer. Place the screws and tighten them with screwdriver. Now place the bracket and lock nut of closing push button back to its position. Tighten the molded nut. Fix the fascia and tighten the screws at 4 corners of the front fascia. Put the charging handle at its position and tighten the screw of the handle. Fix the plug. Remove the existing label stuck on the front fascia and replace it with new label. Now, in order to check the operation of lockable trip push button, charge the breaker with its charging handle. Close it with the help of closing push button. When you push the key of lockable trip push button inside, it trips the circuit breaker. Again, rack in the breaker to service position.